Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Mailchimp cloud email campaign failures, quick tutorial step by step clearly. If your Mailchimp cloud email campaign has failed, don't worry. Follow these steps to identify and fix the issue quickly. Start by checking your Mailchimp account to ensure you have an active subscription. Log in to your Mailchimp dashboard. Navigate to the campaigns section. Locate the campaign that has failed. Click on the campaign name to view the details. Review the campaign status for any notifications or error messages. Common issues include incorrect recipient lists or formatting errors. If there are errors, return to the design section. Double-check your email content for any broken links or images. Ensure that all links are properly formatted and functional. Next, verify your recipient list. Go to the Audience tab. Check that the list includes valid email addresses. Once your content and list are confirmed as correct, return to the campaign page. Try to resend the campaign or schedule it again. If problems persist, consult the reports section. Look for any bounce rates or delivery issues. Identify if certain emails are consistently bouncing back. Investigate the reasons for bounces, such as full inboxes or unverified addresses. Make necessary adjustments to your recipient list accordingly. If your campaign is still not sending, check your Mailchimp account for any limitations. Verify that your sending domain is authenticated correctly. This can enhance deliverability and reduce spam complaints. After making these adjustments, attempt to send the campaign again. Monitor its performance in real time through the reporting tool. Keep an eye on open rates, click rates, and any further bounce notifications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.